Yun nga ano lang yung thoughts niya after this first loss. Ito na yung mga lessons na makikita niyo na dadali niyo sa next game.
Uh, I, I think yung game ngayon napaka napaka ibang-iba sa next game namin between Thailand and Jordan. So kasi yung talaga yung Kazakhs talaga sobrang tangkad nila. I think yung game ngayon lesson sa amin kung anong team yung makakalaban namin, kung matangkad ba siya, mabilis or what. So dapat yung adjustment medyo mabilis. So mag-focus kami kung makuha namin yung slots sa quarterfinals about Thailand and Jordan. I hope makakuha namin yung slots.
Bonus sa'yo lang, ano lang pakiramdam na ito, hindi lang Creamline, kumbaga yung country rin yung nire-represent nyo dito sa ABC.
Ako, syempre, sobrang grateful ko kasi actually, ito din yung first time ko na mag-represent ng country sa indoor. And syempre, kasama ko pa yung Creamline team. So, sobrang in-enjoy ko lang talaga yung opportunity, yung moment na maglaro ngayon. And yun.
For Anna, you know this Jetisu team from your time in Kazakhstan, so I guess how did that help you in preparing for today's game, and I guess what were the nuances that you recognized when you played against them?
I think I knew the direction that players prefer. That definitely helped me on the block, though they were trying to avoid me. But I think overall, just like feeling the tempo of the team, you know, it was kind of like easier to know that these girls are always trying to hit over the block because they're so tall and they're always trying to hit it like deep. I think I was mentally prepared to like play with them. It's just really hard to play because they honestly they work like a clock. They train really hard. Very talented, very tall people. That's really hard to play with, honestly, because they are really good. But overall, like it wasn't a surprise for me that they played that good today and scored. But I think we showed a really good game.
And for Pons, parang ito muna huling indoor stint na playing for the country before another national team stint naman sa beach. So siguro ano yung biggest takeaways mo so far in your time with Creamline na dadalhin mo rin pagbalik mo sa beach?
Siguro yung, kasi syempre international to, international din yung mga kalaban. Siguro kahit sino talaga yung kaharap mo, malaki man sila, maliit man sila, same lang din naman kami ng game, volleyball. So paras-paras kami nag-training. So dapat, ano lang din talaga, tapang lang palagi, kahit sino yung kaharap.
And coach, you know, medyo from yung talo sa finals and yung talo ngayon, paano nyo lang ina-encourage mo rin yung team or paano nyo ina-approach yung team pagdating sa mga gantong klaseng talo para kumbaga yung moral mataas pa rin, di ma-discourage entering yung mga susunod na game?
Actually, nasa players naman yan kung marunong tumanggap ng pagkatalo kasi hindi naman mga bata, so dapat move on lang palagi. Sa trabaho naman, ganyan naman talaga. So, alam na ng mga players yon kung malulungkot ka ba o sasaya ka sa pagkatalo. Pero dapat, ang pinaka-importante is makamove on ka and makabawi ka sa mga games. And yung PVL, tapos na yun medyo matagal na yun. So, nakalimutan na yun ng mga tao. Nakalimutan rin namin. So, ngayon yung nakapokus kami sa ABC. So, yun yung kung saan man makarating yung team. So, ibibigay lang namin yung 100% namin.
Jimmy? Anna, what will be the mindset heading to the next game if the team makes it to the quarterfinals? Since it's a knockout game.
The mindset. I think just keep on the mindset that we have for this game, even though we lost. But throughout the game, we wouldn't like give up, even though it was hard to keep going. I think we're just gonna play the same game. We're gonna be trying to be better at every aspect and trying to keep up the game aspect of the game better. Since like me and Nastya, we came to the team kind of late, so I think every game is getting better and better. So I think for the rest of the games, we're gonna come stronger and just like supporting and loving each other. That's the mentality, I think.
Coach, ano na maging immediate areas of concern ng team line heading into that quarterfinal match kung sakali nang makapasok kayo?
First, kung sino yung kalaban. Second, yung mabilis na adjustment about this game and the next game. Kasi magkaiba talaga yung mga teams. So, yun yung pinaka, namin. Tututukan kung sino.
No more questions. And that coach, paano mag-move on?
Ha? Pag-move on, maglaro ka ulit ng volleyball.